got everything here, and I've got that to make sure we're good. All right, you guys. Well, good to see you. Again, these class connects are nice just to be able to, to chat with you guys a little bit. I'll keep saying it. You're doing great work with the coursework so far, and we're getting through it really well here. So a couple more weeks, then we take a little break, and then we kind of finish up the semester in January. So keep up the great work you guys are doing awesome things. So we over these 4 weeks are talking about what's called the marketing mix, and I call them the 4 Ps. So you've got a product that you're gonna produce, and so marketers figure out what that product should look like, the packaging that it's in, the coloring, all those types of things that go with it. We talk about the price. So we create a price, the price where you can make the most profit, where people will buy it. There's kind of an economics thing where you want to set a price where the most people will buy it, and you can make the most money off it. We talk about promotion, which is, the one you think about with marketing. That's how are you going to advertise the product, whether it's commercials, billboards, signage, things like that. And then we're going to talk about place today. So place is how that product gets to the consumers. So we're going to watch a quick video again today, and then I've got some questions kind of based off of that video for you guys to answer. A lot of times you'll also hear it called distribution, but I think it's easy to remember the 4 Ps. So if you see something about distribution, that also is place. So let's go ahead and watch this video, and then we'll chat about kind of what we're going to ask you to do off of the video. So here we go.
So far, we've covered 2 of the 4 Ps, product and pricing. In the next few lessons, we'll turn our attention to the third one, place, or the location where a company's products are being sold. Product distribution is probably the most difficult step to set up among the 4 Ps. How come? Well, it takes a lot of time and significant energy to build and optimize a distribution channel. And we have to consider several factors that will influence our decision. The best distribution channel is the one that delivers a product the customers want, delivers a product where customers want it, and allows customers to have the product at the right time. So, let's dig deeper and try to understand the implications of the 3 principles. On multiple occasions, we emphasize the importance of creating a product that customers want to have. What is probably equally important, however, is the way it is delivered to them. And this is one of the final variables determining whether they will acquire it. A great-looking store with prepared sales personnel and optimal product placing can have a huge impact on sales. That's why companies like Apple and Tesla have taken matters into their own hands and built their own stores, which allows them to have direct contact with customers and explain to them the benefits of their products. A product must be positioned where its target customers are likely to find it. Prada owns shops in luxurious shopping streets, such as the Fifth Avenue in New York and Monte Napoleone in Milan. Companies working with distributors must examine their point of sales carefully and try to understand if their target customer group matches the one visiting these places. The other trait of great distribution channels is they deliver products at the right time. Nobody likes it when an item is out of stock or when there's a long waiting period for its delivery. Companies want to be efficient with the inventory they keep, as it represents a cost. An optimized logistics flow can be beneficial for both customers and producers. Great distributors can find the best solution and typically apply just-in-time policies. Introduced by car manufacturer Toyota, just-in-time is a method aimed at reducing flow times within a production system and response times from suppliers and customers. Nowadays, almost all companies try to implement such procedures. They use enterprise resource planning systems, also known as ERP systems, that automatically optimize orders, inventory levels, shipments, and other aspects, which improves the entire distribution flow and reduces the need for human intervention. Okay, let's pause for a second. In the next video, we'll learn about the different types.
Okay, so I like these little videos. They give you some, just some great examples, I think, of how we think of place, and so it's a good way to kind of talk about it and explain it in a quick amount of time. So what I have for you guys are these 5 questions here. So hopefully you kind of got it from the video. If you need to go back and and watch this video again to catch it. But so number one, why is place considered the most difficult of the 4 Ps to do? What are the 3 principles of place? What do Apple and Tesla do differently with place that make them unique? Why does Prada choose the store locations they do? And then what is just-in-time place strategy? So I'm gonna put this video recording out here as quickly as I can. If you need to go back and watch it to answer those questions, you can, or just answer them the best that you can. So any questions for me? Can I get a thumbs up or to know that you guys have got it and we're good to go? Good, good, good. All right, you guys, again, super proud of how you guys have been working. Keep up the great work. Let me know if you have any questions, but have a great day. Good to see you guys. We'll talk soon.